Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Ramadan. I'm back again, Bakhtiar, with my daughter Amelie Alaykaas, and today we're going to cook another Meatless Monday dish, which is, what is it? Palak paneer. So palak paneer basically is a spinach dal. It's a very tasty Indian dish. Our family loves it whenever we go out and eat at an Indian restaurant. And this is very simple to do, very tasty. Even Amelie loves it. Do you love it? Yes, she loves it. And I'm going to show you how it's done. And hopefully you all can enjoy the recipe. And see you. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Tell us what are the ingredients to do the palak paneer. What do you need? What is this, Amelie? Spinach. Very good. And what is this? And this? The green chili. And then? And what about this? Onion and garlic. And then, how about this one? This is tofu. And then what about this? Muk. So it's very simple, right? Are you ready to help me to go to the kitchen and cook? Yes? Alright, let's go. Okay, and so now we are ready to cook palak paneer. And Amelie is going to be here. We make sure that she is safe. And Amelie, please be careful with the fire, okay? So as you can see, first we put some butter in, yeah? And a little bit of olive oil, and then after that we put in the onion and garlic, and then after that we put in the spinach and the chopped green chili. Yeah. So the reason why I cook this first, or we cook this first, because you want to make sure that the spinach is cooked before we mix it with the milk and we blend it, and then we cook it again to make the creamy palak paneer. Okay, so now after the spinach is fried, make sure it's cooked, and we'll put it in here. And then what do we put after we put the spinach? What do we put? We put the milk in, and then we'll blend it nicely, and then we'll cook it once more. Right? Okay, so we've already blended. Okay, you can see, Amelie, did you blend it just now? We press the button, yeah? So we blend the fried vegetables or spinach with the mixed milk, whipped cream, and also almond milk. We don't have almond, so we use almond milk. And after this, we're gonna cook it again until it's very, very thick and creamy. I will put cheese, and then we'll put the tofu, and then it's gonna be done. All right. Okay, lastly, before we finish it, we put what, Amelie? Here, come in. What do we need to put? Come, put it. Okay. Yeah, put it in. Alright. Okay, and then mix it. Okay. Right. How does it smell? Does it smell good? Yummy? Are you excited to eat? Okay, now you can turn off the gas. Okay, slowly. Yes. Yep. Right. That's right. Okay. What is this, Amelie? What is it called?
Palak paneer.
Palak paneer. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you excited to try it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so before we try, what are you going to say to everyone? Enjoy
Enjoy your Meatless Monday.
Monday. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
No.
Okay, and that's it, everyone. You can see Amelie and I, we cook our Meatless Monday palak paneer, and it's a very simple dish. Of course, I cook it my own way, my own recipe, but it tastes almost like it. The reason why it's simple is because I want Amelie to be able to participate and be excited about making the dish. And in the video, you can see that she loves the dish and she eat the whole thing, with rice, and that's one way to encourage kids, especially to to eat more vegetable. So thank you so much, and I hope I can share more Meatless Monday dish with all of you. But I hope you can also try and do your own Meatless Monday at home with your family. Stay safe, stay at home. Assalamualaikum.